Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Outlook with your Slack account. Now, at first, just go to your Slack software or just open up any of your browser and just go to Google and search for Slack. Then simply just go to slack.com. And after that, just sign into your account. You may either use Google or Apple to do this. And after signing in, you'll be here in My Workspaces. Just select your workspace. Then let your workspace load. Just give it some time. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser, and after that, it will require 2 or 3 seconds to load. And after it loads, what you have to do is from the left hand menu, you have to select More, then just go to Tools. Then from here, go inside Apps, and from Apps, what you have to do is search for Outlook. Then just search for it. You'll find Slack for Outlook. Just click on this. Then it will show the app for you. Just click on Add to Slack. Now, if you click on Get It Now, you'll get the Slack add-in for your Outlook. You just have to sign in with your Slack account inside Outlook extension. And after that, you'll be able to send your emails to Slack and use every single feature they're offering to you. And basically, that is how to connect Outlook to your Slack account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.